Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well this morning. And let us hop on to the chart and see what we can take advantage of today. Can you guys confirm how my sound is and if my screen is clear? And then we can definitely hop on and get started. Hop on to the chart and see what we can take advantage. There we go. I think everything's fine now. Do drop your pairs on the side there. Drop your pairs. We're going to take a look at 4 and then of course hop on. I see. Good morning, Jonathan. Awesome, Kevin. See, everything is well. If you guys followed us last week, I think Jonathan is the one that asked for Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken. It did play out quite well, dropping all the way. Let me just see if I still have it here. Yep, I do. It was caught at the 30270 level. And then, of course, it literally tanked from there. Okay, let's see. There we go. I see Kevin wants us to look at US30, and then Jonathan wants us to look at gold. So let us hop on to those two. US30. It tanked, it literally just went all the way. This was a good one that we caught there. I'm just gonna move that and clear the charts. And then of course take it from the top again. Starting with the daily as usual. You wanna know where you are in price. You want to see what's happening in price. And then of course see if we can't get anything in the zone here. Okay, so on the daily, this is where we are. It's actually a very interesting level. There we go. Then let's see if we can refine this block here and try to find a decent point of entry with an auto block. That's awesome. There we go. Let's go in. This one is unmitigated, so this would be an ideal candle to use because this one here got mitigated right here, so that is not going to work. So we are going to keep to this higher one. Then let's just take a look at how the 5 minute is looking. Maybe we might find a good entry point, and we actually did. There we go. So we've got this candle here, which is still a bit too small, but it's ideal enough. And then of course we'll find a good point right there and have our option to actually push for a long position right here at the bottom. There we go. And that's actually how you'd be approaching US30. And of course, remember, and I keep repeating myself, do not use limit orders or market execution. Always stop orders. Okay, so hopefully you guys would have got that. There we go. So that's our US30 pair. Then let's go into gold. Okay, let's take a look at the daily, see what's happening on the daily. Gold hasn't been friendly lately, so we need to rethink our approaches. Rethink the approach and then see how that goes. It's also a bit interesting here at this massive candle here. Okay, let's go deeper into price and just try to understand. Okay. Okay, there we go. Still valid. Let's go deeper again. This candle here. Still valid. Okay, let's go into that price point. Ideally, I would wait for price actually. This would not be a perfect setup. There's a bit of underlying factors we need to consider, but it is a potential. Do manage your risk well, and you'll not have to worry about anything like that. There we go. So you've got your gold set up here. Perfect. And then two more pairs. We're going to look at NAS 100 and UJ. Let's look at that. NAS 100 highly correlated with US30. So this was a beautiful move, by the way. Very, very beautiful. I think it was requested in last week's, was it the live? Actually, not the live. Okay, anyway, take a look at the daily. You're also gonna know where you are, and of course you are gonna see it operating literally the same as the US30. And of course you're gonna have to probably are gonna have a setup right now. We'll have a buy stop. Yep, let's see. Mitigated here. Okay, let's go deeper into price. Okay, there we go. This is an ideal one to work with. Of course, take the lows. Then let's go back into the hourly. Yep, you could have a potential buy stop right now. The spread is a bit too high, so let's just cut it down a bit, and then you'd have something along these lanes. And if you want a bit of a wider stop, you can have it around these lanes here, and then of course target these highs here. There we go. And then that's how you'll approach a US 100. There we go. And then moving forward to the last pair, UJ. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. UJ. We might have a decent move here. Okay, let's see how the daily is looking first. For our That's a tricky one. It's a very tricky one. I actually wouldn't trade it. Yeah, nope. We're not gonna touch this one. This BOS was a bit of a mission. And then the move that caused this one would be this one here, which got mitigated by this candle. So even if we were to go deeper, yep, we're not gonna find a decent entry point. Yeah, so let's take a look at that. And that's about it for the day, guys. The Patreons will be getting a few more. Let's see. There we go. It's not an ideal setup. Not an ideal one, but it is a potential. So that's about it for the day, guys. Don't forget to like, keep sharing. Let's check you guys again on the next session, and then we'll definitely hop on from there. Happy trading, guys. Cheers.